Bachi, go Bacheloro, Kingi Ngira Begini, Patj Patj, Larrakia, go Kungarakan. I'm here to speak on behalf of the Kabi Kabi people. They're worried and concerned about their site, Djaki Kundu. It's the law grounds for them people. They got their Bonyi ceremony grounds there. I believe it's part of the water system, and all Aboriginal people will tell you that the water dreaming is all over this continent, and we all have our own stories about that. But we also know that it's all connected and we're all one. From Tasmania to Tiwi Islands, from Gowrie Island to Rottnest Island, and everything in between. If you mob hurt that area, that ground, and if you dig up that dreaming, you're not only harming the Kabi Kabi people, but you're harming every single tribe on this continent. Don't touch our sacred sites. They are sacred for a reason. They are ancient and they are a symbol of life. Without them, we as a people would never have existed. We need our dreaming places. Leave them alone.
I want a moment near Parlini. Yeah, no matter Kapanagi, Kabi Kabi tribe, Uranagi sacred site, Djaki Kundu, Banyi ceremony ground. We, us as one people, have come together to acknowledge those people are fighting for the sacred site. And you know, if you demolish their sacred site, it will harm us, and it will affect everyone, because water dreaming runs all over this country. Mana, Nabangi. Aranagi Djaki Kundu sacred site, it connected to Yangla Morobuni. Amria any Numarang army for Kapnagi Ngamamara. We will speak for those tribes, because they are in desperate need of our help to speak on behalf of them. It will harm us. If the white people destroy that sacred site, they will harm us, the people of this continent.